Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. This is going to be a very short video. It's about GitHub Copilot and how you can benefit from it and how to speed up your development process. I have a fresh Laravel application. This is the web PHP file, and as you can see in this route, I am returning an empty posts array, and what I'm expecting from the Copilot is to assist me filling the keys, the required keys. So as you can see, as soon as I start typing, it automatically filled this array with dummy data. It's not filled, it's still gray. So if I click tab, it will be accepted. Or if I want only one word, if I can just hit command and an arrow. If I just give this a better comment, like I'm commenting here that posts array has title, disk, description, author, and date. For example, it's automatically picking this up for me. Now again, if I come to the posts here and I start typing anything, you would see now it's giving me these suggestions. And again, if I want to accept it, I just hit tab. If I want different options, I can just say click here. You can see different options. Now I can also come again. I will accept all this, except I just want one of these. I don't need all of them. And here I can say, for example, this is description, but I want, for example, also an excerpt, and maybe I need a slug, and maybe I need an image. So as you can see here, it pick, for example, this random image from Pixum. But maybe I want one from Unsplash. I can use like this Unsplash image, and here it give me this as a random, but then I can just delete this one, and now I have Unsplash image on the image key. Maybe also I want category, so I'll have categories. Now this is here on the web, but I can do other things like on the migration. So I've created the migrations. So for example, I have post table here, and as you can see, this is about posts. So if I just, as soon as I type, it will give me a string title. That's okay. I need also the description, yes, excerpt, slug, an image, but this is a string, so I'm not sure. I don't want this one. I have an author table, so I can do something like this. I can have a comment here. I say author foreign key, and then do this, and you can see it automatically picked foreign ID author constrained authors, so it will link it with the authors table. And maybe I need timestamp for date, but I don't want this. I have, for example, date, publish date, and then you will see like this. So it can be easier, but for the foreign key, it's nice thing to have. And I can do the same also on the authors table. Now it stopped suggesting things for me, but maybe I want to link this author with the user. I can do the same thing here, user foreign key, and again it linked the author with user on the users table. One last thing I will show you also here is that it can detect that you are using, for example, I'm using inertia. So, and here let's say, okay, on the index I can do this, return inertia, and as you can see, it automatically picked these for me. Also, if you do it once, it will help you to do it in other places. So I don't like the helper. I usually prefer the inertia itself and then render method. And these I can just pass them as I will have my data. It automatically picked them. Okay. Now here on the create, if I just do this, if I just type return, immediately it went with create. Okay, and on the show, as you can see, it did the same thing. Now if I go to the store method, you will see if I just type this, if I type this validate, it automatically picked all the fields for me. So I believe this is a very helpful tool that we can use as developers. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time.